Captain Danny here. I'm going to show you my 12-volt solar system that powers my boat, the Cindy May. Check it out. It's a single panel, 100 watts. This is the only place I could really think to put it. Right now it's putting out 20 to 21 volts, even though it's partially shaded there from the boom. Pretty much I can tell you what you can expect. This single battery, you're going to get about 3 hours of television time with about a 22-inch flat screen. I can run all the lights in the boat all night long. Of course, these are LEDs. Alright, so what can you expect out of a 100-watt solar panel? Like I said, I can run my television for 3 or 4 hours. It's a 21-inch LED flat screen top. You run all the lights inside the boat all night long, and then all my running lights, my mast light, my steaming light, and then my forward port and starboard lights, as well as the aft light there, all night long. I'm only using one battery, 12-volt battery, and then it takes about 8 hours to charge it back up to full capacity. It's in full sunlight here in the sunny state of Florida. So that's about what you can expect out of a single 100-watt panel. And then you can always get one of these bad boys. It's a 2,000-watt generator, 1,400 running watts and 2,000 surge. That'll power my air conditioner. It'll power probably my electric stove, and also charge the batteries. It's got a cool little 8-amp charger on it there. It's kind of loud. Paid $160 for it online. That's what you can do for your boat or RV or living out in the woods. That's about what you can expect out of a 100-watt solar panel and a single battery. Of course, again, this is in bright, sunny Florida. Expect at least 3 hours of watch time on a flat screen TV. Run your lights all night long inside the cabin. These are LED lights. They're much different than anything else. But hopefully that'll help you out when you decide to get off the grid or, buy some solar panels for camping.